Nature is full of surprises. Bird grabs a spider from a tree cutter in seconds. This occurred during a movie shoot, and the scene required the helicopter to make a pretty hard landing for show. The pilot made the hard landing for the shot and then took off again. That dude was so relaxed about this, like, get the hell out of here, Bill, not today.
Oh, that's scary. That's scary as shit.
This guy got a ticket for violating airspace regulations. I swear orange cats are real. Cat in the Hat. They escaped out of the canal somehow, and they found them outside the mosque after Jummah prayer.
لا لا